The Unveiled Zimbabwe is now one of the biggest musical movements of our times, with shows in the UK, South Africa, Zambia as well as Eswatini. The sky is just the limit for this group. They started off as a versatile musical group, but now they mainly focus on gospel music. Unveiled Zimbabwe was started by Joshua Mtima with his two sisters Nyasha and Salem, but now the group has expanded to 12 members. The Unveiled Zimbabwe started becoming popular in 2021 when they entered the Pan-African Old Mutual Amazing Voices Season 2. They were one of the two Zimbabwean groups in the competition. Even though they didn't win the final prize, they made it to the top 3. As of 2024, these are the 12 members of the Unveiled Zimbabwe. We start off with Joshua Mtima. He is the founder and the leader of the Unveiled Zimbabwe. He is also a music producer and a music tutor. Following up with Nyasha Mtima, who is one of the original founders as well and one of the 8 female vocalists. Up next we have Salem Mtima, who is also a sister of the founder as well as one of his original members. Moving on with Ashley Kudamafumo, who is one of the 4 male vocalists. Up next we have Chloe Runago. She is one of the 8 female vocalists and also one of the most consistent members of the group. Moving on with Adonai Chifura, she is one of the original members and a face that we've always seen on Unveiled Zimbabwe for a long time. Moving along, this is Shanice. She is one of the lead singers on the Unveiled Zimbabwe. And this is Bethel Fiuka. She is a backing vocalist as well as one of the 8 female members. Giftus Nyao is one of the original members of Unveiled Zimbabwe. He is one of the 4 males that are in the group and he is a backing vocalist. Up next we have Tadiwana Shenyamayaro. She is one of the 8 females in the group and she's also a backing vocalist. Moving along with Lawrence. Lawrence is one of the lead singers and he's also one of the 4 male members of the group. Lastly, we have Tutsi. Tutsi is one of the 8 female members of the group and she is a backing vocalist.